In this tutorial, you'll learn how to use the Trim Video tool in Adobe Express to quickly edit and resize your videos. After logging into Adobe Express, locate the Trim Video option under the Quick Actions section on the home page. You can also find it by going to the Video tab or by pressing the plus button and selecting Trim Video. You can either use a sample video provided by Adobe Express or upload your own video by browsing your device. You can also drag and drop a file directly into the upload area. Once the video uploads, use the play button to preview it. When you find the point where you want to trim the beginning or the end, pause the video. Drag the trim handles to your desired start and end points. Alternatively, you can manually input specific start and end times at the top of the interface. You can change the video size by selecting between landscape, portrait, or square formats. After choosing the format, use the fill screen option to zoom in or adjust the framing by dragging the video within the frame. If your video has audio that you want to remove, you can click on the mute button to turn off the sound. After making the necessary edits, click Download to save the trimmed video to your device. The file will be in MP4 format and ready for use.